bila mesa.
MCA Kudate augite ni ageretie muno kuruta wira rungu rwa utongoria wa Governor Tunai no riu nioete moko iguru na gutherenda. Akoragwo ari MCA wa wodi ya Majimoto na Rosura. Ni aheanite ngerekano ya maheni maria Governor Tunai erire thi ng'ima iguru ria kigomano kia wonjoria kia Masai Mara mweri-ini wa Novemba mwaka-ini wa 2015. Athiete na mbere kuuga ati mbeca cia muingi kiheri kinene ni ihuthiritwo uru na gucungiriria hathara nene kuri arihi a igoti.
We have lost a lot of money without any work being done. In the current budget, he went and omit the bursary item in the current budget. He again went further, using his legal team to omit the Masai Mara Support Fund.
Kudate augite ameba bunge ya Narok matitamburagwo ni Governor Tunai riria matua ma bata makoni utongoria wa county iyo marariririo.
Tunai has refused to recognize members of the county assembly, MCAs, and the function of the county assembly in Narok County. He has been the MCA, he has been the watchman, the sweeper, the chief officer, the executive.
Ona kuri oguo Kudate ni ahiuhite akauga ati ya guthio na mbere gukorwo ari thiini wa kiama kia URP rungu rwa Jubilee muoroto ari kurehe mogaruruku gatagati ka andu aria mari na mwiciririe umwe bururi-ini.
I will remain as a member of the URP party and the Jubilee coalition, but I will join other people who have been fighting to bring change in Narok County.
Bunge ya Narok iri na atongoria 30 wa guthurwo ni muingi aria moko-ini mao Governor Tunai ahonokire mageria ma kumuhagura miaka 2 mihituku. Kuma hindi iyo utongoria wa Governor Tunai ni wathingithire thiini wa county ya Narok iria ikoragwo na arumiriri ya Jubilee na CORD magayanite nuthu kwa nuthu. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Helen Maina.